this isn't a real thing, though.
It's a real thing.
Really?
Collaboration with Jeep and Fox.
Oh, Fox Shocks.
They're doing a Wrangler as well.
Very cool. With the tubular doors. That's great.
It starts as a Wrangler 392, but you have the option, and it comes with all the accoutrement that you see here, which is all really cool. It's got the canvas top.
That is cool.
It's got the massive tires, all this gear on it, and it's only available to service members. You and I can't buy it. Logan could buy it.
That's cool. So you're only allowed to buy it if you're an active military.
Or veteran.
That's actually
cool.
That's a really cool exclusivity thing. There's no shortage of veterans, and honestly, that's their bread and butter anyway.
Yeah.
So it's not like they're going to cancel out anyone who's going to go buy this.
They're only making 250 of them.
Oh.
And it's to celebrate the 250th anniversary of the Armed Services.
Okay.
One of them will be auctioned off next year to
Anybody.
whoever, but 249 of them will be exclusive to service members.
That's cool as hell.
It comes in only this paint job, which I don't know why you'd get anything else. It comes with the 6.4, and you can option a color matched supercharger to go on the 6.4.
Why
Whipple
wouldn't
supercharger.
you? Why wouldn't you?
So cool.
Absolutely, you would do that. I bet this thing's $100,000.
Keep in mind, the base Wrangler 392 starts at $101,000.
Right. So this has got to be 140.
This starts at 69. Yeah. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
So
You're getting a huge discount. You have to apply to buy it. So I imagine there's going to be all kinds of PR and things around it.
this person, Medal of Honor winner, or whatever.
Purple Heart, you know. So you apply. Still super cool. And 70 grand's a heck of a deal for a 392 Wrangler with all this other
You know
stuff
how much
on
you
it.
could turn around and sell this for immediately?
Oh, yeah.
You could double your money.
Especially because there's only
immediately.
250 of them.
The white rims are cool, but also don't make any sense on an off-roader.
It's got 3.5-inch lift kit, 3-inch shocks, speed lock wheels, 37-inch Nitto mud tires, military paint and decals, high clearance steel fenders, tube doors, Bimini top you could see on there. You can option a Whipple supercharger and boost the power up to 705. Pretty rad. It's pretty cool.
It's the first Hellcat Wrangler.
Yeah. So you must apply via Fox's website. So if you want a chance to get one, if they haven't already been allocated, starting price is $70K, and that is a steal considering what you're getting. You're getting at least a $30K discount, probably another $30K.
This was a
options.
$100,000 upfit from a regular Wrangler Unlimited.
Probably. Yeah.
And a regular Wrangler Unlimited is like $40,000.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
It's neat.